Please welcome to the stage a multiple award winner in the 11th Asia Pacific Stevie Awards. Ditto Telecommunity Corporation of Taguig, Metro Manila, the Philippines.
Ditto Telecommunity Corporation won 2 gold and 3 silver Stevie Awards. Ditto Telecommunity Corporation primarily operates as a mobile network operator, improving the way Filipinos experience connectivity with secure, fast, and high-value 4G and 5G technologies.
Good evening to everyone here. On behalf of Ditto Telecommunity, we are extremely grateful to Asia Pacific Stevies for this recognition. Our achievement today and in the last 3 years since we actually launched will always be dedicated to our Ditto subscribers and also to the rest of Ditto employees. Maraming salamat po.